I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming what Windows cannot find: the exact file name, extension, and path. Once done, enable hidden and system files so nothing is missed. This prevents false missing file errors. Next, open an elevated command prompt or terminal as administrator. This gives you permission to inspect locked or protected objects. Make sure to note any unusual characters or very long paths. Windows may truncate them. With these prerequisites complete, you're ready to locate or target the item for deletion. Now you move to force deletion. First, use $X to reveal 3 short names when long paths break, then CD into the parent folder so you can target the object. Next, take ownership with takeown/F path. Follow with iCackle's path/grant %username %F to give full control. This fixes permission-denied errors. Finally, delete with del/F/Q for files or rmdir/S/Q for folders. If the item still fails, reboot to safe mode and repeat, because a loaded process often blocks removal. Complete the job by cleaning up references, remove broken shortcuts, and if necessary, carefully edit registry shell links that point to deleted targets. Once done, check running handles with Process Explorer or use Unlocker to close locks, then retry deletion. This resolves many stubborn cases. If deletion still won't proceed, boot to Windows Recovery Environment or use a system restore point to revert to a state before the issue. One troubleshooting tip: always make a backup before registry edits or recovery actions to avoid data loss.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.